Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 7163 15 kW standby generator with Wi-Fi is a solid investment for homeowners seeking reliable backup power during outages. With its robust engine and advanced features, this generator ensures that your home remains functional even in the face of severe weather or grid failures. One of the standout features is the generator's automatic transfer switch, which seamlessly detects power outages and switches on within seconds. This means you won't have to deal with manual setups or delays when the power goes out. The transition is almost instantaneous, allowing you to maintain your household activities without interruption. The 15 kilowatts power capacity is more than sufficient for essential appliances, heating systems, and even some larger equipment, making it a versatile choice for various household needs. The integration of Wi-Fi allows for remote monitoring through the Generac mobile app, providing peace of mind. Users can check the generator's status, receive maintenance alerts, and even monitor fuel levels from anywhere, which is particularly helpful for those who travel often or live in areas prone to frequent outages. This feature, combined with the generator's self-diagnostic capabilities, minimizes the hassle of maintenance and ensures it's ready when you need it. Installation is straightforward, though hiring a professional is recommended for optimal safety and compliance with local codes. The unit operates quietly compared to other generators in its class, which is a significant plus for residential neighborhoods. However, potential buyers should be aware of its size. It requires adequate space for installation, and proper ventilation is critical. Additionally, while the initial investment is high, the long-term reliability and convenience offered justify the cost. Overall, the Generac 7163 15 kW standby generator with Wi-Fi excels in performance, convenience, and peace of mind. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to safeguard their home against unpredictable power outages, making it a worthy addition to your home infrastructure.